Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make this very quick and easy tart with yogurt base and pineapples. Stay tuned and see how to do them. First we need to prepare the batter. In order to do that, we need to combine all dry ingredients. So we have our flour, baking powder, and sugar. We just combine this together, mix it, and that's it. And right now, second part, we combine all wet ingredients together. We have our yogurt, melted butter, a bit of vanilla extract, and 1 egg. And we just need to mix this together as well. Right now we need to combine both. And the dry ingredients together. We mix it very quickly and roughly just to combine these two together, and we combine until we receive fairly runny consistency. And our batter is ready. And right now we need to prepare our forms. These are normal small tart forms. What we do? We only need to pour our butter into the forms, like this, more or less to the 2/3 of the form. And when we have the butter in the forms, the only thing that we need to do is just place the pineapple rings into the butter, just like this. And we just press them very gently, not too much. The butter will rise anyway, so it will cover the pineapples nicely all around. And they are ready to be baked. We bake them in 170 degrees with fan or 180 degrees Celsius without fan for 20 to 25 minutes. Basically, when they will be nice golden brown, we can take them out of the oven. I will show you how they look like. Right now, I will be baking. And that's how the tarts look like straight from the oven. Right now we need to wait until they cool down so we can take them out of the forms, and then when they are completely cold we can put some icing sugar on top just to decorate them. When they cool down I will show you how they look inside. I will just show you how to decorate them. I just put a tiny bit of the icing sugar on top of them. I just wanted to show you how absolutely delightful they are inside. Because the whole bottom is done with the yogurt butter, the cake is so soft and tender. You have to really hold it in place because it will just fall apart. It is absolutely great. So moist, so delicate. As you can see, it is so springy, so nice and soft. Absolutely great and lovely. And the pineapple on top makes it even better because there is an addition of fruit. It's really great tart. I really encourage you to do them. At home you can add any fruit you want and you can make it into a cake as well. It doesn't have to be just a tart. The yogurt butter is so nice and versatile this way. You can really combine it with any fruit you want. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoy doing them at home. Thank you and see you next time. Bye!